Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to buy Bitcoin on Binance. So if you also want to buy Bitcoin on Binance, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in binance.com, press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Binance. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not logged into your account, all you have to do is enter your email address and enter your password, and then you'll be logged into your account. Right now, you're in the home interface. In order to buy the Bitcoin, what you have to do is click on the buy crypto option that you can see right over here. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see this kind of box over here. You can see hot cryptos over here. So if you want to buy the Bitcoin, what you have to do is click on this option that you can see right over here. Now here you'll be able to see a search bar. All you have to do is click on it. Now type in Bitcoin. Now you can see the option for Bitcoin over here, BTC. All you have to do is click on it. After that, make sure to select your local currency too. Click on this option right over here. And from here you'll be able to select your local currency. Now you'll have to enter the amount that you want to spend. Now you can see the amount that you'll receive right over here. Scroll down. Right over here, you'll be able to see the option for payment method. All you have to do is click on it and then select a payment method. But since my identity is not verified due to my reason, I'm not being able to do so. But after you choose the payment method and complete your payment, you'll be able to buy the Bitcoin. So that is how you buy Bitcoin on Binance. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.